Hey, 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 hey.
Jasper and
Peace.
Barton County.
Hey, hey, hey. Okay, anyways. It is raining, storming, thundering, lightning, rain. It's storm.
Ink.
It's boarding.
I want to go outside, but it's a little bit rainy and lightning.
Yeah, and I don't want to get zapped.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's scary.
Ah!
It was like purple.
Yeah, it was really cool though. 2.5 inches of rain in 20 minutes.
Incredible.
20.
Gave us that information this
That's
evening
23.
here at the 24-hour storm center. Wind gusts up to about 50 miles per hour were reported over in Parsons earlier this
Do you want to see a
evening.
dolphin? I got a dolphin.
Dolphin.
Actually, it's from one of my grandma.
The area, it's basically
I don't know why it's in here.
Cherokee County right now.
You want to see me when I was little? I was fat.
Okay.
I was a fat child.
We've got a tornado warning.
I just got skinny
for
in 7th grade.
Barton
Kind
and
of
Jasper counties,
skinny,
and
but
that's probably going to last until 9:45.
less chunky,
Okay.
less fat. I'm still chunky, but that's okay. It's not what I was. I don't know. I'm bored. Coco, come here.
The storm will be in your area.